In this video, I'm going to go and show you how you can delete all your Facebook posts at once. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, if you wanted to go ahead and delete all your posts on your Facebook profile all in one click, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that today in this video. And if you want to go ahead and do that, what you need to go ahead and do first is click on the three lines in the top right corner, and then go ahead and click on see your profile. And then once you've done that, as you can see, I've just gone ahead and I've uploaded a status. And then I've got a couple of posts from a while back now, and I'm going to show you how you can delete them all at once. So the first thing you need to go ahead and do is click on these three dots at the side of add to your story. Go ahead and click on that. And then once you've clicked on that, as you can see, there's an option there for manage posts. Click on that. And then what you will see now is an option for you to be able to select more than one post. So if I go ahead and click on this YouTube tutorial status, and then if I go ahead and click on this one here, as you can see, you can go ahead and select multiple, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the updated profile pictures there anyway. So if you've got more than, say if you've got like 100 posts, you will be able to go ahead and go down and select every single one of them. And then all you need to go ahead and do once you've selected all the posts you want to go ahead and delete is click on this little bin icon right there, and then click on delete posts as it says remove selected posts permanently. So if I go ahead and select delete posts, and then click on delete posts, go ahead and confirm it. So are you sure you want to delete 2 posts? Click on delete post. And then saving changes to my profile now. So just give it a couple of seconds to go ahead and load. And if I go ahead and go back to my profile, go ahead and refresh it. And then as you can see, that's gone ahead and deleted more than one post. So you can do this with as many posts as you like, guys. It's a super simple way to go ahead and delete all your statuses and pictures and things like that. So if this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.